Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another fall Bath & Body Works haul. This is kind of a big one. I think this is the third fall Bath & Body Works haul I've done already. You guys know I love fall. I love Bath & Body Works. It's a very dangerous place. I spend the most money in the fall time at Bath & Body Works. But anyways, so I have 3 big bags here. I think some of these were online orders, but I just kind of stuffed them in to 3 bags to share with you. But besides the point, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see the fall goodies I picked up at Bath & Body Works, then just keep watching. Before we get into the fall goodies, I quickly wanted to share the perfume that I've been loving for the past few weeks. It is by the company Dossier, and if you're not familiar with them, I've mentioned them in many videos. They're awesome. They sell designer inspired colognes and perfumes or fragrances for $29, and they have a very wide selection. They keep adding, and I wish I knew about them sooner because I'm guilty of spending $100+ for fragrances, perfumes, and even colognes for my husband, when I could have just got them from Dossier for $29, and I kid you not, they smell like the real deal. So anyways, this one right here is Gourmand White Flowers. I always go back to this one. It is inspired by, but smells just like Victor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. I paid probably like over $120 for that a few years ago before I knew about Dossier, and this smells 100% just like it, like 99.5, like that's pretty high for $29 or $120+. I think I got the 3.4, the 3.3 fluid ounces. So the notes for this are bergamot, green tea, freesia, berries, white flowers, orchid, rose, musk patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. And this is a really popular fragrance for women. Flower Bomb. I love it. So for $29 you can get it if you've been thinking about it. I would not go to the department store or Sephora, Ulta unless you want to shell out well over $100. I would check out Dossier, and again, they have colognes, they have other perfumes, other favorites. You guys see me mention many others before, so if you guys are interested in Dossier, I will have a link down below. Okay, so in my last video, I believe I mentioned that Bath & Body Works was going to be expanding their rewards program nationwide in stores, and then I believe it was like a few days later they actually did, which is great. If you guys have not signed up for the rewards program, you do it through an app, I would highly suggest it, because that's how I was getting coupons, especially because I don't get them in the mail, you guys, but that's how I was getting coupons for either like a free body care item, or sometimes I get like 30% off or 10 off a 30 or whatever. The rewards app is great. And then for online purchases, I would get the points. I just couldn't get them in store because my store didn't participate. Now they do. So for most of these items that were in-store purchases, I was getting points on the app, which is great. The most popular coupon I get is the free body care item for $16.50, which, let's be honest, is a really good deal. So I'm super excited because I really feel like I'm getting rewarded for spending money now, and it's trackable because I'm not getting coupons in the mail. I think in the last video I said I got coupons in the mail, but it was my sister's name, but it came here. I don't even know how that happens, but they don't come in my name. Sometimes they used to come in my husband's name or my mom's. They don't. I spend the most money there. I don't get the coupons at all, and they've either told me that they only do coupons randomly to select people, which if you ask them in store, they'll say that's a lie, but then customer service, when you call them, they'll say that's what they do. So it's like, I don't know. All I know is I wasn't getting them. So through the rewards program, in a nutshell, you'll get coupons, and you also get rewarded for the money you spend, which, let's be honest, especially in the fall for me, is a good thing. So let's start off with the candles. I have, I think, like 3 or 4 to share with you. I went candle crazy the last time. I did it again. It's just really hard. Like every year they just come out with so many new and amazing scents and fragrances for the fall. It's overwhelming. So I have Caramel Pumpkin Swirl here. I decided to go with this. This is an oldie but goodie. It's really strong and powerful. The spread is really nice, and the fragrance bulb is very powerful as well. I haven't purchased that yet. I think bulbs are on my next thing that I need to stock up on again, so there'll be a future video. But this just smells like caramel goodness. So let me read the notes to you. The notes for Caramel Pumpkin Swirl are luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, and rich brown sugar, and creamy vanilla. And I believe these were 10 off a 3-wick candle, $10 off a 3-wick candle. So that is Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. It smells really amazing. And then next, I decided to go back for another blueberry maple pancakes, you guys, because it's only a fall candle, and I love this. I think I mentioned in the last video, this is probably one of the most powerful candles I've ever experienced. Like, I am not kidding. You can smell this all around your house, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere. It is very sweet, but it smells really nice, and it's really different. Like, oh my goodness, but I feel like this candle might not be for everybody. But anyways, so the notes for blueberry maple pancakes are wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, and warm maple sugar. This is gonna knock you out, you guys, but I do love it. Again, it just depends on, you know, do you like sweet things and how powerful you like things? Some people don't. But yeah, so that's that one. I have 2 of those. I got one a couple weeks ago. I purchased the first one. Next, I decided to give this a try, and I get like a little indecisive about these, but then I'm like, you know what? I can always return them because I smell them as, it's called a cold sniff. Whenever I read the reviews on Bath & Body Works, I get all the correct terminology like throw and cold sniff. So my cold sniff of Old Fashioned Cider Donut, it's a little minimal, so I'm like, this one, it might not have a good throw to it or how well it spreads when you light it in a room. So, but it does smell really nice, so that's why I like it. So we'll have to see. I'll have to keep you updated. But again, if you, you know, light a candle and you don't like it, you can return it. And it's crazy because I didn't know that for the longest time, and I would buy a candle and then I'm like, I just don't like it, or I can't smell it, because you should be able to light a candle and smell it like, you know, I don't know, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 feet away, or, you know, in another room for that matter. Some candles just don't have a great throw, and you have to be like literally over them to smell them. So those candles I definitely end up returning, but so we'll see. I'll have to keep you posted. But the notes for this are Old Fashioned Cake Donut, baked apple, sprinkled with brown sugar and cinnamon, or brown sugar cinnamon. So this one, I'm hoping it works out. We shall see. And then the last candle that I picked up is America's Favorite Pumpkin Snickerdoodle. I really like this one, and I like, you know, all the different packaging. I really like the rose gold lid with like the pumpkins on it, but they definitely have all new packaging. So that's what Pumpkin Snickerdoodle is. But I feel like, don't they have a Snickerdoodle one in the wintertime too? I don't know what that one's called, but I feel like they do. I don't know. I could be wrong. But anyways, the notes for this are warm sugar cookies, ground cinnamon, fresh nutmeg, sprinkled with sugar. This one, I feel like if I can remember correctly, it did have a good throw. It's not super powerful, but it's more of like, you do smell it, but it's kind of like a minimal throw, but you do smell it, you know, far away. If I'm explaining that correctly. Again, I'll have to update you on this one. The cold sniff, it's definitely a little stronger than the Old Fashioned Cider Donut, but again, I think I do like this because in the bulb, the fragrance bulb, they have it, and it's really nice. But apparently I didn't know that this is America's Favorite. You would think pumpkin pecan waffles would be, but I don't know. So we shall see, and that's also one I would recommend. I did show you that in the last haul. Pumpkin pecan waffles, excuse me. I feel like if you had one candle to choose, that's like a crowd pleaser. It's really, really good. It's an oldie but goodie. So yeah, that's it for the candles. They were $10 off the 3-wick. I never go with the single wick candles, you guys, because I need a 3-wick. I feel like I would use that in like a day or like 2 days, the single wicks. So I just go for the 3 wicks, the bigger ones. Next, I believe this was a free item with my rewards coupon. So I decided to get the Sweater Weather Shower Gel, and this is like my favorite fall scent, Sweater Weather. 2 years ago, I want to say, this is the 3rd year, that they've come out with Sweater Weather as a fragrance and body lotion and shower gel. And it's kind of annoying because this does not smell like Sweater Weather candle or bulbs. It's completely different. Sometimes they do that. But the notes for this are Suncrest, Apple, Autumn Leaves, and Orchard Woods. So this is different. It's got kind of like a cologne smell to it, like a men's cologne smell, but I just love it, you guys. I think that's what the Orchard Woods is, that note that kind of gives it that like cologne smell. But you guys, it's so nice. I love it. and I loved it so much that the last 2 years I stocked up. Like, I still have them from like 2 years ago, the packaging from 2 years ago. I have the packaging from last year, which was like an all gray bottle. Yeah, so I don't even need any of the body lotions, but the shower gel, I decided to get that. So I did get this for free, which is good because it is $13.50 on its own. So, and then next I have, let me just kind of like rearrange these bags around here. Next, I have hand soaps. So I don't know if I think I got these online, and I believe, I want to say they were $3.95 or $4.95. I always get them confused, like the $3.95 and $4.95. But they were on sale for $3.95 or $4.95. So I decided to pick up some. So I saw this one blueberry donut, and I actually haven't smelt it yet, but I'm like, you know, it's probably really good. Maybe similar to like the blueberry maple pancakes. The notes for this are fresh blueberries, warm glazed donut, and a hint of cinnamon. And then next we have pumpkin pecan waffles. Now it's crazy because this wasn't always a hand soap. It was just a candle and a bulb. And now it's a hand soap. It's a body care item. And side note, I know last year I said when they came out with the pumpkin pecan waffles body care, I just wasn't a fan. I didn't really think it smelled entirely like the candle, but they might have reformulated it because I feel like it's growing on me this year, and I think I have another rewards coupon to get a free body care item, so I'm thinking of picking up that body lotion because it's kind of growing on me. So I just wanted to mention that. So maybe the next haul I'll have that for you. But this is the hand soap. That's what it looks like right there. And the notes for pumpkin pecan waffles are maple syrup, golden waffles, and pumpkin spice. You just can't go wrong with that. And then next I decided to go with autumn s'mores. I actually don't know how this smells. I just, you know, saw it online and decided to pick it up. Crisp apple, gooey marshmallow, and cinnamon spice. I want to smell it, but I just have to be careful. I don't want to spill it. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like I don't really like it, you guys. I'm not really sure. So maybe I'll give this away as a gift. I don't know if that's really my cup of tea. I'll either give it away as a gift or like swap it out. It's just like hit or miss with the hand soaps, you guys. So yeah, and then last but not least, I picked up 2 sweater weather. Now these sweater weathers smell like the sweater weather candle and fragrance bulb. But I think I mentioned to you guys that that's been growing on me. Like, I kind of like sweater weather now, and I never used to for the candle and the bulb, not the body care, because they smell different. So I decided to get the hand soap, and I just love the packaging. I love the gray. It matches my bathroom right here, and then my downstairs bathroom as well. So the notes for this are sage, eucalyptus, excuse me, and fresh woods. It's definitely not sweet. It's not like a baked good scent, but it is growing on me, so I decided to pick up 2 of the sweater weather. So that's it for hand soaps. I didn't go crazy. I didn't need that many. I think I have a few left over from last year, honestly. So yeah, and I know in a few months I'll be switching over to Christmas or holiday, you know, scented hand soap, so I just didn't go crazy. And then next I've got a bunch, when I say a bunch of 1 cent is the buy 3 get 3 free. I think I mentioned a few videos ago that I discovered pink berry clouds, and one of you told me that it actually isn't a new scent. They've been coming out with that in the summertime for like maybe a year or 2. I thought, because it said new when I went there online, so I thought it was, but they do not have this online anymore. And I was like panicking because I fell in love with this. I don't have a lot of body lotions scents from Bath & Body Works that I love. I have just my typical go-tos for each time of year. Velvet Sugar, I don't even know if they discontinued that. I've mentioned that a lot. It was a retired fragrance. That's one of my favorites. Sweater Weather, obviously, for the fall. And Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, but I don't think they have that out yet, but I have leftovers of that. And then for the winter, I like Winter Candy Apple. And then for just like the rest of the year, it's either Champagne Toast or Strawberry Pound Cake. And that's it. Like, I know they have so many more. But this one is like top 2. Like, I love this Pink Berry Clouds. So I was in my store and I asked them, and they're like, yeah, we're going to be getting rid of them in a couple days. They're just like right over there on just like this cap. So I did the buy 3, get 3 free. I just love it, you guys. So they don't have the body lotion, they just have the body cream of the Pinkberry Clouds. So if you still see this in your stores, which I think I went there the other day, they still had them there, but I should be good, you know, until next year. But I think I bought maybe I bought 4 of the body creams, you guys. I bought 4 of the body creams and 2 of the shower gels. So if you see them, I would recommend them. You can smell them, but I love this, and this scent lasts all day. It's really different. Yeah, so it's like crazy. I'm excited that I found a new scent. So the notes for it are strawberry, spun sugar, marshmallow fluff, and fresh air. Who would have known? Fresh air. It just smells amazing. It's really different. So Pinkberry Clouds. Stop rambling on. So I stocked up on that. It was buy 3 get 3 free, and I think I had a 20% coupon at the time that I was using. Let me just make sure that's it for that bag. Oh, and then I had a coupon for for a free hand cream. So that's what I went with, Sweater Weather. And if you're wondering, this Sweater Weather actually smells like the body lotion and the shower gel. So it smells kind of like men's cologne. It just smells, oh, it's just so nice. I can't get enough of it, you guys. Fall is so dangerous at Bath & Body Works. Like, you can see how excited I am. But it just makes me happy. Okay, so this was free, but I'm getting like a lot of good deals, you guys. Like, even like I'll go to the store and I'll be like to my husband, I just, you know, I got all of this for whatever. And he's like, well, that's a good deal. Like, I'm getting really good deals, especially with the coupons. Okay, so last but not least, this is from a few days ago. Body lotions were on sale for $4.95. So maybe the soaps were $3.95 if I had to recollect. But the body lotions were on sale for $4.95. And when I was in the store picking up all of these, like 1 or 2 weeks prior, I had smell a new scent, and I'm like, all right, I'll just like wait till they go on sale again, because I just did the buy 3 get 3 free for this, but because I just wanted to get them before they sold out, or else I would have waited till they were $4.95, which I didn't know. But so I'm like, you know what, I'll either wait till I get a coupon for a free full-size body care item, or I'll wait till they go on sale. So they were on sale the other day, but the scent that I actually fell in love with, and apparently it's really popular because they were all out of the body creams, is Autumn Drive. This is new. I'm pretty sure, could be mistaken, you guys will let me know, but I'm pretty sure that this is new for the fall. So the notes for this are wild raspberry, warm amber, and vanilla birch, and it's really different, but I really, really like it, you guys. Like, I really like it. So it's like Bath & Body Works is just killing it, because now they're getting me with all these body lotions. Normally, I've got my go-tos, and that's it. Like I said, champagne toast, strawberry pound cake, like Sweater Weather. I'm good for the year. But no, now we've got more. So it's just, they just keep coming out with so many amazing scents and fragrances. It's like good, but it's not good, but they got the reward system, so yeah. But anyway, so I got 2 of these for pretty much like $10. You can't beat that. So I just went in to just pick up 2 of these. Again, they do have the body cream in this, but they were sold out in stores because apparently this is a really popular scent. So I picked up 2, and that should be good for a while. This is a really good one if you're looking to kind of switch it up. I do really like it. So yeah, that's it for this large haul. I'm thinking, like, if I had to guess, maybe 2 more fall hauls there'll be for Bath & Body Works, because it's really only like the beginning of September right now. Let's be honest. I usually do all the fall stuff into October. So bulbs I need to stock up on again next, so look out for another haul. Again, sign up for the reward system if you haven't yet. I'm really excited about that, especially because I'm not getting the coupons, you guys. It's really frustrating. I know a lot of you guys don't either. The customer service tells me one thing, but in store they're like, no, that's not true. We're not like sending random coupons to people. So I'd like to receive coupons, but at least with the reward system, I'm getting rewarded for what I spend in store now too. So definitely sign up. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.